Welcome to Awake. This is your 10-minute full sensory workout, a guided session designed to activate your inner senses. Find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, and take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale gently, letting the weight of the day melt away. Allow your eyes to close and give yourself permission to simply feel. Imagine a quiet path opening in front of you. A soft, peaceful space where your mind becomes clear and your senses awaken with ease. With each breath, you step deeper into this inner world, lighter, calmer, more connected. This is your training ground. This is where your senses come alive. Imagine you're standing barefoot on soft ground. Feel the texture beneath your feet, warm, gentle, steady. Now imagine a soft breeze brushing your face, light, cool, flowing around you. Notice the temperature on your skin, the subtle movement of air, the alive feeling of your body. This is your inner sense of touch becoming active. Shift your attention to sound. Listen carefully. Imagine the faint sound of distant waves, a slow rhythm, rising and falling. Now add another layer, the soft rustle of leaves moving with the wind. And one more, a bird calling gently in the distance. Let your imagination build this soundscape. Your inner hearing is expanding, sharpening. Now bring your focus to smell. Take a deep breath in. Imagine the fresh scent of clean air, pure, subtle, refreshing. Now add the hint of something natural, the soft smell of earth after the rain, or the gentle aroma of wood warmed by the sun. Breathe it in. Let the scent fill your chest, clear, pure, alive. Your olfactory imagination grows stronger with every breath. With your eyes still closed, awaken your inner vision. Imagine a soft golden light forming in front of you, growing brighter, expanding gently. See it fill the space around you, warm, glowing, peaceful. Now imagine colors swirling into the light. Soft orange, pink, deep blue. Shapes begin to appear. Movement, depth, clarity. Your inner sight becomes vivid, alive, detailed. Now focus on your spatial sense, the awareness of your body in space. Feel the position of your shoulders, your spine, your hands. Notice the weight of your body, the balance, the grounding beneath you. Imagine a gentle sphere of energy surrounding you, 3 feet in every direction. Sense the space, the boundaries, the field around your body. Your awareness is expanding. Now bring all your senses together. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Hear the imagined sounds around you. Smell the fresh air filling your chest. See the inner light and colors swirling. Sense the space expanding around your body. Everything working together, perfectly synchronized, forming a complete sensory activation. This is your inner world, your sensory power, your presence awakening. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Begin to return to the room you're in. Feel the surface beneath you, the weight of your body, the space around you. Gently move your fingers, your shoulders, your neck. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly, carrying with you clarity, focus, and a fully awakened inner awareness. Welcome back. This was your full sensory workout, a 10-minute activation with Awake.